nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Bitch, I was your good. Bitch, I was a 10. Bitch, you was a 5, now 4. Bitch, I was a win. Pussy most niggas would die for. Bitch, I had you in position she couldn't apply for. Why you have to lie for?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So, today's video is going to be a quick little video of how I do my makeup in 10 minutes. You know, not everybody has time to do a full glam beat look. And even sometimes I wake up late and don't have that kind of time. So this video is just me showing what I do when I have to get ready very quickly. I've already done my brows because that in itself is 10 minutes. So excluding the brows. I mean, as far as face and eyes and everything else. So let's get into it. So for my eyes, I'm going to be doing a simple look using the Mar palette. Whenever I have to get ready quickly, I choose different palettes. It's never the same palette, but I'm going to be using this one, and I'm only going to be using 3 colors out of here. So yeah. Now the next step for this look is just lower lash liner. I'm going to be using the Witch's Pouch Selfie Liner Black Pearl. I use this every day. The next step is my foundation. So I'm going to take my ColourPop foundation in dark 155, put a few pumps on the back of my hand, and put it all over my face.
Ingrained in my mind, left me not even lie. Move your body the way that I like, and you got me for life. Cause your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was a thing starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone on the water. And I know it all, and Tiki come together. So the music does.
Next up is concealer, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium, dark 32. And then of course I contour using the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette.
I thought I was allergic to love, like my heart had the flu. But your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm you. Now your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? that's ingrained in my mind. Let's be naughty tonight. Move your body the way that I like, and you got me for life. Cause your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was up in Starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Want somebody to want me, like I was up in Starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
For highlighter, of course, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Mini MUA collaboration, the Uranus Skin Frost, to highlight this area, nose, and here.
Or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was up in Starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Por siempre. Your silhouette is ingrained in my mind. Let's be naughty tonight. Move your body the way that I like, and you got me for life. Cause your touch is my
And of course, my mascara is Eddie Funkhauser Quattro Variable Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. Got to coat my lashes real quick, real fast. And then the last step is my lips. So for my lips, I almost always use some type of ColourPop lip product or Jeffree Star, and then I do my Cupid's bow with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. So that's what's going to happen now.
I thought I was allergic to love, like my heart had the flu. But your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm true. Now your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was up in Starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of my
And this is the finished look. Holy cow, I actually like this. It don't come out this good when I get ready for work. This looks really good. It never looks this good for work. I look like crap, and then my students notice that I look like crap. And so, yeah, wow. Wow. And this is probably 10 to 12 minutes. It doesn't take more than that when I do looks like this, because it's very simple, it's very easy. I know where all the products are, and I use 90% of the same products minus the eyeshadow palettes. That's the only thing that changes, the eyeshadow palettes and the lip color. Everything else is the same. It's always Benefit Brows, and Foundation is, well, I just got the ColourPop, but since I got the ColourPop, I've had it for a week. I've been using that every day. So it's either ColourPop or e.l.f. foundation, Coty Airspun or ColourPop setting powder, IPKN liner, liquid liner, and then the Witch's Pouch selfie liner for the bottom, Trophy Wife for the Cupid's bow, Uranus for my highlight, e.l.f. contour palettes, always the same. Only thing that changes is the color here and here, but that when I know that I don't have time, I always plan ahead. 3 colors on the eyes, well technically 4 because of the lower lash, but on the lid it's always only 3 colors, sometimes 2, which takes me shorter time. And then a simple lip. I don't do like where I do a matte lip but then I have the Vacray in the center or Gloss Bomb in the center. No, it's just a matte lip and then I go. So yeah, I like this a lot though. It doesn't come out looking like this for work. I'm a little upset because it don't look like this for work. This video is going up on Monday. I'm filming it on a Saturday. That's why I keep saying it doesn't look like this for work, because I'm not filming this before I go to work. I'm filming this on a Saturday, but it's not uploading until Monday, so this was previously recorded. So you will probably see these pictures on Instagram before you see this video. I like it though. That's it. That's all. I will see you all next time. Bye.